Hi guys, yeah, do you have the 2005 Honda Accord hybrid with a 6-cylinder, and you have the problem with some kind of noise? It sounds like it's booming or humming noise. Yeah, when you get close to a stop sign or the signal light, or just especially on in city and also the on highway, when you just take off the foot, you know, from the gas pedal. Yeah, there's the big noise. It sounds like boom. So just I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem, okay? So yeah, I'm sure if you go to Honda dealer, they're gonna tell you that you have to replace the ANC, which name is active noise control, which is located just right behind of the CD player, which is it cost you almost $500. So yeah, don't do it, don't pay, it's $500, okay? Just I'll show you how to fix the problem. So which is very easy. So first thing, we have to do is just you need to remove all the plastic the shells, and I think you can do it, right? So then second step, just we have to go out there, and you see the yellow connector, and right behind of the yellow connector you find the 8-pin gray connector. So just once you find the gray connector, cut the wire, which is the red and green, right? Cut it, and you know to plug it with another cable, and then ground it to the bolt. Okay? Yeah, just once you're done, just check out, and I'm sure the noise is already gone. So good luck, guys.